happy, sad, light, dark, big, small, fast, slow, hot, cold, up, down, day, night, love, hate, near, far, hard, soft, old, young, empty, full, rich, poor, strong, weak, early, late, open, close, high, low, sweet, bitter, brave, covered, clean, dirty, quiet, loud, sharp, dull, thin, thick, true, false, hardworking, lazy, smooth, rough, bright, dim, long, short, heavy, light, simple, complex, generous, stingy, crowded, empty, calm, angry, healthy, sick, beautiful, ugly, cheap, expensive, deep, shallow, bitter, sweet, loose, tight, wide, narrow, messy, clean, full, empty, blunt, sharp, shut, open, new, old, right, wrong, inside, outside, timid, brave, sour, sweet, plain, beautiful, unhappy, happy, dim, bright, cold, hot, light, heavy, small, big, slow, fast, weak, strong, angry, calm, expensive, cheap, young, old, outside, inside, tight, loose, blunt, sharp, low, high, dirty, clean, shallow, deep, short, long, late, early, weak, strong, lazy, hardworking, plain, beautiful, bitter, sweet, cowardly, brave, close, open, false, true, empty, full, loud, quiet, smooth, rough, heavy, light, slow, fast, hot, cold, soft, hard, tight, loose, narrow, wide, bright, dim, sweet, bitter, old, young, clean, dirty, brave, timid, high, low, strong, weak, angry, calm, rich, poor, near, far, long, short, hard, soft, happy, unhappy, inside, outside, open, shut, true, false, awesome. Now you know 100 opposite words to instantly boost your English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Thanks for watching this video.